Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn dark mode on or off for Google Chat on mobile. So here, you will not find a choose of light or dark because to change the screen mode to dark or light, you can only change it in the phone settings. So for example, I use iPhone and select settings, and then you can select the display and brightness. So here's the um, option to change the screen mode. If you want to dark, select dark, and you can see Google Chat again. That's it. Yeah, we'll follow the mode on the phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.